adventure. I'm making a delivery inside a mountain deep underground. I hear this is going to be crazy. The Lynx Space Center. Here they go. Look at this. It's going to be interesting. Stay tuned. Here we go. Whoa. Crazy, folks. Woo, there's no room to maneuver here. Inside a cave. This guy's kind of stuck. There's no way out this way, so he's got to turn around. I'm supposed to back into dock number 1 up here on the left. Oh boy, this is going to be a tight one. Wish me luck. Fun they said this would be. I'll tell you what, the hardest back-end I've ever done. Starting out here, this is a storage facility inside a mountain. They carved this thing out. Look at this. Absolutely no room to maneuver here. Had to come in under here. And then back in over here with that wall. Just inches to spare. Spinning around here. Getting it into that spot. Whew, I'll tell you, earned my money today. I'll tell you what, this is an amazing facility underground, right inside a tunnel or a mountain. We're down below a mountain here, as you can see. Look at this place. They've got loading docks left and right all the way down the road. It's like a little city under here with office buildings and everything. There's the tunnel entrance. Absolutely crazy. There's another driver. I'll tell you what, I need a nice cold drink. No, I don't drink iced tea or something. Take a nap. Wow, that was incredible. Look at this. No room to spare. You got these granite walls, or I don't know what. Didn't hit anything, that's a good thing. And finally was able to get it into the dock. Boy, this is one for the memory books for sure. Put this in my book. Trucking Adventures. Good job, I'll tell you. Whew. Oh man. Well, we made it. We're unloading now. Stay tuned. See where I'm going to end up next. Absolutely crazy. Our next driver's doing it right now. You can see how tight the back end this is. Look at this. No room to work with. Wow. You got this wall right here. gosh, there's no room to work with. Alright, we got that other driver in okay as well. Everybody needing help on this one, I'll tell you what. You need a spotter. You can't see your blind side, and that wall is pretty close. Alright, it's the latest adventure. Thanks so much for watching. We did it. We'll see you later. Look at this. Every driver, same problem. Just no room to maneuver. Come within inches of the wall. Both sides, the back. Look at that. No room. Whew, I'll tell you what, we made it out of that one. That was insane. Deep underground. They have these storage docks that you saw. Wow. I think I aged 10 years. Anyway, thanks for watching this adventure. On to the next one. We'll see you out here. There's the trucks.